Before we dive in, if you're someone dealing with constant tension, stress, or chronic back and neck pain, stop everything and click the link below this video. This might be the one solution you've been searching for: natural, drug-free, and rooted in ancient wellness techniques. The Meridian Acupressure Mat and Pillow V1 isn't just another wellness product. It's a game changer for people who want fast, consistent relief without medications, expensive therapy, or complicated equipment. Scroll down, hit the link, and visit the official website to grab yours now. Your body will thank you. Now, let's talk about what makes the Meridian Acupressure Mat and Pillow V1 so unique. This is not a regular massage mat. It's based on traditional Chinese acupressure principles, targeting over 8,000 nerve endings through strategically placed stimulation points. When you lay on this mat, those points apply gentle, precise pressure to key meridian pathways. This triggers a wave of physiological responses. Your blood flow increases, muscles relax, and endorphins flood your system, acting like your body's own painkillers. All of this happens without a single pill or doctor visit. But what problems does it actually solve? Let's get specific. If you're struggling with back pain from sitting too long, stiffness in your neck after a poor night's sleep, or even tension headaches that feel like a vice around your skull, this mat is designed to help. Many users also report improvements in sleep quality, stress levels, energy, and even mood. That S, because it doesn't just address surface pain, promotes holistic healing by calming your nervous system and releasing blocked energy. It's like acupuncture, but without needles, appointments, or costs. Using it is simple. Lay it flat on the floor, bed, or sofa, and gently lower yourself onto it. You can start with a shirt on if you're sensitive, but most users build up to bare skin to maximize stimulation. The first few minutes might feel intense, but give it time. Within 10 to 20 minutes, you'll feel warmth, a deep relaxation, and a noticeable shift in how your body feels. Use the pillow for your neck or lower back. You can even stand on the mat for foot pain relief or enhanced circulation. It's completely flexible and adapts to your lifestyle. Let's talk about the quality. The Meridian Acupressure Mat and Pillow V1 is made with ecofoam and linen, with hypoallergenic plant-based plastic stimulators that are gentle but effective. It's lightweight, portable, and comes with a convenient carrying case so you can take it to work, yoga class, or even on vacation. The materials are designed to last, and the craftsmanship is premium. You're not buying a gimmick, reinvesting in a tool for daily wellness that delivers professional level results without the ongoing cost. Still on the fence? Consider this. Meridian offers a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. That means you can try it risk-free, and if you don't love it, you can send it back, no questions asked. But chances are you won't want to part with it. Thousands of users have shared glowing reviews. One customer said her chronic back pain, which persisted for years, began to fade after just a week of using the mat daily. Another called it the best investment I've made in my health this year. These are real people experiencing real results. Now, let's talk about the less obvious benefits. Daily use of the Meridian Acupressure Mat doesn't just relieve physical pain, it also boosts circulation, enhances lymphatic drainage, and promotes better oxygen delivery to your muscles and brain. That translates into sharper focus, reduced fatigue, and more natural energy throughout the day. Many users even say it helps with digestion and improves sleep cycles. It's a total body reset that fits into your schedule in just 20 minutes a day. And here's something important, stress is the silent destroyer of your health. It leads to inflammation, poor sleep, hormone imbalances, and weight gain. Lying on this mat triggers the parasympathetic nervous system, lowering cortisol and inducing deep relaxation. This makes it one of the most powerful anti-stress tools you can use at home. If you feel overwhelmed, anxious, or burnt out, this isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Your mind and body need recovery time, and this product provides it effortlessly. So if you've made it this far, there's only one thing left to do. Take action. Don't let another day go by in pain, stress, or fatigue. Click the link below this video and go straight to the official Meridian Acupressure mat and pillow page. Check out the customer reviews. See the product details for yourself. And take the first step toward a healthier, more balanced you. Remember, this is more than just a mat, it's a wellness revolution you can feel with every breath. The sooner you start, the sooner the relief begins.